Hi guys, it's Sharon Hartley from My Keto Journey, and it is Sunday morning here in Melbourne, Australia. My last Sunday here for quite a while, so I'm a little bit sad. But this video is going to be talking about keto for kids. Now, I will put my disclaimer out there that I am not a doctor, I'm not a medical professional, I'm not a nutritionist, and I do not treat or cure. This information is strictly educational for educational purposes. It is about my own journey, and it is about helping you and your family and your kids. So I have had a lot of you ask me over a period of 12 months, can my kid or kids do keto with me? Is it safe? Well, yes, it is safe. Kids need more carbs to grow. So as we're doing 20 net carbs or 20 total carbs, it is more important to up the carbs for the children. So we want to be doing at least 50 carbs or a little over, depending on their ages. Now, it is safe between ages 8 and above. If your child is struggling with obesity or just a little chubby, it is great to start them off on a low-carb lifestyle. Now remember that this is a lifestyle and is not a quick fix. So your child will need to be told that this is the way that they'll be eating from now on. Now, with schools, it's very, very difficult to pack lunches. Lunchbox ideas. What can our kids have for lunch? Well, I'm actually going to be starting a Pinterest on our Pinterest page, I'm going to be starting a board for this exact subject, keto for kids. And I'm going to be giving you ideas on what to put in your children's lunchbox for the day. Because obviously we don't want things that are going to go off, and we want things that will be yummy for the kids as well, and that nothing at the end of the day will be left over, so it will all be eaten. We want to cut out refined sugars and switch our kids over to substitute sugars, so our artificial sweeteners, the artificial sweeteners that are keto approved. So also, a lot of kids in the morning need breakfast. Bacon and eggs, wonderful, wonderful breakfast. Now, if they don't like eggs, then you can make them cream cheese pancakes or coconut pancakes with maple syrup, sugar-free maple syrup, which there is a recipe. If you go to the search bar in the group, you should be able to find a maple syrup recipe. I will repost it if you do need to see it. If anyone's interested in keto for kids and they have children that need a little help losing some weight, give us a yell out. Comment in the comments below so that I'm able to help you along the way, because it is a big deal for our children to be losing the weight. So much of what we eat causes obesity, and that's what we just want to strictly take out, is obesity. We want our children healthy, happier, and functioning instead of carrying all this weight around with them all their lives. I was myself a bigger child, and it is a big challenge and a big struggle, especially going through schools, from my younger years to my high school years, and even in my adult years, being bullied. So, you know, it's great to get them started while they're young, but if they are older, it's great just to get them started right now And it is harder with kids because they do want the junk food and stuff. But I think once they get used to eating keto and you sort of adapt the recipe to their taste, I don't see there being an issue with the food. Just the problem might be with the exercise, but just get involved with your kids. So go out and play with them, run around after them, take them for walks, take them to the beach, the park, anything to get them moving and active. Get your children into sports, tennis, soccer, football. Just talk to them about what their interests are with sports. And so if you are interested in your children doing keto and you want to know more about it, comment in the comments below. Like I said, it is safe from 8 to 8 upwards, but to do 50 grams of carbs a day. Now this means strictly keto, because if you do give them little treats here and there, it will undo the work that you're trying to do for your child. And try not to be forceful with it. It's got to be their decision as well. Talk to them about it. It can be a very sensitive subject. And, also just go about it that we want to live a healthier lifestyle. So it's not bad that we're overweight. It's just that we want to feel good and we want to be healthier, because a lot of kids take in bad images about themselves from their parents. And we don't want to be inflicting that on them. We want this to be a fun, exciting thing. Also, get your kids in the kitchen with you. Get them cooking the keto cookies, the keto bagels, the keto muffins, things like that. Little kids love to make the keto bread. Just put an apron on them and put them to work. It is just going to be a fun exercise for them. But as long as you let them know that this is the way that they will be eating, and the health benefits that they will have for the rest of their lives, it'll just be so great for them. So I will be putting up some lunchbox ideas for those who wish to get some recipes for lunchbox ideas, even if it's for your own use for work as well. Please comment in the comments below lunchbox recipes, and I will be researching a lot more over the time when I head back to the States. So keep your eye out on the group. There will be a lot of things for keto for kids and for family members. Get your family on board. Once they see you're feeling great and you're energetic, it won't take them no time to join you. So I hope that you're having a wonderful day or night wherever you are in the world, and thank you for watching this live Facebook video. I hope that you're all well, keto on, and I'll talk to you later.